Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this J&P spinner ceiling fan. Pretty sure J&P stands for JC Penney. I got this ceiling fan brand new off of the same website as I got my past few Coca-Cola fans from and a few other fans. Excuse me. So this fan was new in box. It is a little scuffed up. This fan is for sale on eBay. As you can see, paint's cracked right there. And then, yeah, the globe was broken inside the box. So, as you can see, let me dim this down. Oh, it's better. You can see that it's broken there, obviously. There's a huge chunk taken out of there. But it's also broken here. It's cracked a little. But there's some scuffs right there. The blade arms are stuck together, so there's a little bit of missing paint on a few of them. You can see it's a little scratched up. Motor seems fine. Switch housing a little scuffed up, but there will be a new globe for this fan when I sell it. Ooh, quality's not good. There's the J&P logo. J&P, I saw it earlier. Yep, this is a J&P M42. Right there. There we go, that's better. Anyways, I'll show the box here. It was like used in box maybe, I don't know, because some of the parts are wrapped and some weren't, but we'll go to low now. We'll start with the light. Here's the light, and we will go to low. It's a powerful little spinner. Even though it has a smaller motor, it's pretty mighty. Don't have too much knowledge on these J&P fans, but what I do know is that they were sold at JC Penney, because J&P, JC Penney. It has 4 stencil blades, 42 inches. It's complete. From sitting in the box, it's for some reason scuffed up a little and some spots are tarnished. Not sure why. I like the pull chains. You can be able to see the tarnish on the nuts. Chain nuts there. This fan is so old. I'll put the date on the screen. Go to medium. This fan hardly wobbles. Bearings are a little noisy, but it's been sitting in the box for so long, so that's to be expected. Here's high. Blowing some stuff around. Yeah, it goes great. Bearings are a little noisy, but other than that, it's an amazing air movement. It's pushing a lot of stuff around. Sounds like a helicopter. The light, and here's spin down. anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.